Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. We are discussing the chapters that is the minerals and energy resource. We are in the previous videos we have discussed all those things, different type of minerals, their distribution, and then we have discussed about the energy minerals. Now energy minerals, before we have discussed those minerals, those are the conventional source of energy. It means that we have started the using those type of minerals long back, still now we are using, and in near future also we will use the same thing. On the other hand, now we need to discuss on non-conventional source of energy. Non-conventional source of energy means those sources of energy we have started recently, in recent past we have started, and in future we need to focus on those things. Why? Because all the conventional source of energy, there is a one big problem. Why? Because those are the limited in stock. So it may be finished in near future, and not maybe, it obviously is going to finish in near future. So we have to go for alternative sources of energy. We cannot imagine our life without electricity. So that's why we have to find some alternative sources of energy that we have already started, and near future it will go in large scale because we need to depend on that things only. So let's start the non-conventional source of energy. According to your syllabus, you have to study the few non-conventional source of energy. Here we will discuss one by one. First of all, we will discuss about the solar energy. You know, sun is the continuous source of energy. All the source of energy for our earth we are getting from the sun. But remember, solar energy is the flowing resource, right? If you want to use it, we'll use it. If you don't want to use it, then there are also no problem. The continuous flow, it will be there. Till the time our planet exists, the sources of solar energy, it will remain. So that's why this is one of the free flowing energy resource. So if we will be able to use that energy resource, so we don't need to depend on any such raw materials like the coal, petroleum, right? So this solar energy resource is very, very important. How we are getting this energy? From the sun, solar energy it will come. We require some solar panel. The solar panel, they will absorb the energy, and then that energy it can be converted to the electricity, right? These are the mechanism for generating solar energy. Now we need to discuss what are the advantages. Remember, disadvantage you don't need to study. Before starting the advantages of solar energy, let me give you one interesting clue. Remember, for all the non-conventional source of energy, the best benefit it is there, like that it will be cheap as well as eco-friendly. Other than that, the details we will discuss one by one. So benefits of solar energy: eco-friendly, as I said, common, economical, renewable, clean source of energy, zero carbon emission, low maintenance cost, less dependent on fossil fuels, sources of income. Those are the benefits of solar energy. Next, we have to discuss about the other source of energy. Let's see what is there next. We are having the wind energy. Like solar energy, wind also having some advantage. What? This is the free flowing. Till the time our planet it will exist, the wind it will blow from one place to another place, always from high pressure to the low pressure. Like the wind circulation is there. Just we need to use the wind circulation, the wind speed, that we need to use the propeller, and propeller it will start to rotate. Windmill, that propeller it will start to rotate, and due upon the rotation movements, we will be able to generate the electricity, right? The kinetic energy is transformed into the mechanical energy. So then we can use it. The advantage of wind energy is there. Solar energy, it having the limitation, one limitation. What is that? That is, we will be able to get only in daytime. Night time there will be no benefit of solar energy. For that we need to store it. But for the wind energy, wind it will blow throughout the day and night. So there will be continuous, generating of energy. Now what are the other benefits of wind power? As I already mentioned, if it is a windy day, to there is a lot of power, right? Does not produce at all what? That is carbon dioxide, right? All those gases, it will harmful gases, it will not produce. Does not produce greenhouse gases. Now has created jobs for many local people, and it is one of the cheapest energy sources. Why? Because the raw materials it will be not required. Next, that is the tidal energy. Tidal energy will set up, in the tide affected area, obviously in the coastal areas. Now in coastal areas, what is the advantage? That due to the tides, each place in a day there will be 2 times high tides, 2 times low tides. So the water circulation it will be there throughout the day. Now when the water circulation is there throughout the day, either from river to the ocean or from the ocean to the river, so if you will fix the wheels like that, so due to the movement of water, that wheels it will start rotating, and from there again we will be able to generate the electricity, right? So those are the coastal cities are there where we are getting the tidal energy much more, right? Next we will discuss about the benefits of tidal power. As I said, everywhere eco-friendly, economical, as well as it can produce high energy density, operation and maintenance cost it will be low, and inexhaustible source of energy till the time our earth and the moon and sun it will be there, we will get the tidal forces, and from the tidal force we will be able to generate the tidal energy, right? So next we will discuss now on the other hand, that is the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, the process is very simple. We will utilize the interior of the earth temperature. So what you will do, through the pipeline you will put water, and due to that magma chamber or hot rocks, so what will happen, water it will start evaporating, and then this water in the form of steam, when it will come out, it will generate the force, and with the force it will start the turbines, it will start rotate, and then that rotating turbines, from the rotating turbines we will be able to generate the electricity. That is geothermal energy. So geothermal energy we are using here in this area in Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, northeastern states, right? Those are the places we are using geothermal energy much more. Now next we will discuss about the benefits of geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is reliable as compared to the other energy resources. Now it is naturally occurring resources that does not require fossil fuels, rapid evolution and low emission of energy generation, massive reservoir of energy, and no wastage and pollution. Those are the benefits of geothermal energy. Next one we will discuss about the nuclear fusion. The nuclear power plant, nowadays those nuclear power plant demand is much more. Why? Because from a small elements of radioactive minerals will be able to generate huge amount of heat and energy. Huge amount of heat and energy will be able to produce. So here basically the fusion it will be there, right? Radioactive minerals, that they will do the fusion of radioactive minerals, and from there we will be able to generate that energy, right? Now here you need to know about the places where the nuclear power plants are there. In Tamil Nadu, Kundankulam, Maharashtra, Tarapur, the Rajasthan, Rautbhatta, and Karnataka, Kaiga. Those are the places are there where nuclear power plants are there. Remember, the best advantage of nuclear power plant is there that it can produce huge amount of heat and energy. Next, the last one we need to discuss about the biogas. Remember, biogas is maximum used in the rural areas. Why? In the rural areas we are producing much more biodegradable waste materials. From the biodegradable waste materials we will be able to produce the energy. And remember that mainly used for cooking in the rural areas, as well as the best benefit of the biogas is like we can reduce the waste materials, right? And from waste materials we will be able to get the manure, and that can be utilized again in the agricultural activity. So this is eco-friendly also, right? So those are the advantage of biogas. Now in more in details, production of large amount of methane gas, produce a free-flowing thick in the sludge and the odorless sludge, and the sludge can be used for fertilizers and the conversion of scarce resources like. So those are the advantages. Those are the advantages of biogas. Now from this chapter you need to know few things, right? Those are very, very important. You don't need to depend on any other data, or you don't need to look for the internet, because those data is to keep changes every year as per the production. So these are the very authentic, so you can completely rely on that. So largest producer, that for MCQ is very, very important. Iron ore, Odisha. Manganese, Odisha. Copper, Madhya Pradesh. Solar energy, Karnataka. Wind energy, Tamil Nadu. Geothermal energy, that Vindhyachal and Siguli MP. And nuclear energy, that is Tamil Nadu. Biogas, Maharashtra. Mineral oil, Maharashtra. Natural gas, Maharashtra. Coal, Jharkhand. Tidal energy, Gulf of Kutch. And hydel power, Gujarat. So those are the largest producing area, or you may say the states, right? You need to remember those things. That's it from the chapter of mineral and energy resource. We'll come soon with some new chapters. For that, you need to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. And please mention in the comment box if you require any help, like doubt clearing session or critical thinking based question discussion. So please let me know, so I'll make the arrangement according to that. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.